Welcome to the next lesson planned by the Ceredigion Active Young People team. Our aim with these short videos is to create a 4-part lesson. These 4 parts will be warm-up, skill development, the main activity, and how we can differentiate. The aim of this lesson is to learn and develop dribbling with feet. To warm up, ask the children to do 30 seconds of running on the spot and 30 seconds of jumping. Remember to stretch the muscles, especially the legs, by doing squats and lunges. Dribbling with feet is an important skill in football, but is also used to kick the ball in rugby. Try to encourage the children to keep the ball close to their feet, use different parts of the foot to dribble the ball, and to use both their left and right feet. As they become more confident, the children can start jogging and running as they dribble. You can develop the skill by doing individual and team races. Use the skill card and video as examples to help you. Ask the children to think of their own challenges also. This card is in the multi-skills resource box, which is in every school, or you can see the cards on our Ceredigion Active Teams channel. You can also scan the QR code to go straight to the video. Look at this activity, which is north, south, east, west, as an example to develop dribbling with feet. The children will need to listen to the teacher's instruction and dribble to the designated area as fast as possible. We can change this game to use with other skills also. We can also time or make it into a competitive race to put more pressure on the children, but remember to reinforce the importance of performing the skill correctly every time. Use any lines that you have on the floor or cones as a visual aid. Using an even surface on the yard or field will make the skill easier, as it will stop the ball from running away. Ask the children to use different parts of their feet to dribble the ball. Try to encourage the stronger children to look up by asking questions such as how many fingers am I holding up. This will encourage them to look at what's around them, similar to a match situation. To make the skill more difficult, challenge the children to use a smaller ball, such as a tennis ball. Remember to assess the children throughout the lesson to inform your planning for the next lesson. Thanks for listening.